Here's how to delete your watch history on TikTok. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to sign into your TikTok account. After that, simply click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Moving on, tap on the settings and privacy. After that, from here, you have to simply tap on the your activity center option. Now tap on the watch history option. After tapping onto the watch history, now you will be redirected to this page where you will be able to view the videos that you have watched in the past. Now tap on the select option at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap each single video that you want to delete. Then tap on the delete option at the bottom right corner, and now to confirm, tap on the delete. After that, your watch history will be deleted. If you want to delete all of your watch history from TikTok, you can simply select all the videos and then tap on the delete option. So that's how to delete your watch history on TikTok. If you like this video, then don't forget to like it and to subscribe our channel.